and you take control and you can start reading your speech. Let
Okay.
me let me when you're ready. Let me know, right? Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. Is my topic of this week is science versus religion. First of all, we'll define some words to explain better. First of all, there is the faith. Faith is a firm belief in something. You can have faith in whatever you want, like in God, in your family, your friends, humanity, or yourself. Faith has a similar meaning of trust. For example, if you have faith in your family, it's like to say that you trust in your family.
Okay.
Then is the science. The science is a way to figure out how our world works, or the universe sometimes, using a scientific method to test their experiments. It could be used to whatever you want, like the faith, but in this case, we use these methods with things that we can see and we can prove. Finally, is the religion. The religion is a set of beliefs, the cause, nature, and purpose of the universe. There are a lot of different religious groups that has that that believe different answer. No. That has different answers of this question. Some groups believe in one God, and someone believe in a group of gods. Or you can be religious practicing some rituals like going to church in Sundays or celebrating religious celebrations, etc. Now the main topic is come. Who of these people is right and who is wrong? I'm going to tell you my opinion of this topic. I think that the religion and the science are not enemies at all. I think that these two topics are very necessary in the humanity. Science makes us more advanced and it can teach us a different way to see the universe. But the religion makes us humans. It teaches us what is good and what is bad. But hey, there has to be a balance between both. A lot of one could be very dangerous for us. And I have no vocabulary because I have no trouble with no words.
Okay, new words. Okay, thank you. What do you think about? Let's pass to check your comments about this presentation, your perfect presentation about science versus religious. What do you think about this topic, Sergio?
Well, I chose it because in all my life I saw this this fight of the science of the the science things and the religious one, because the science say one thing and the religion says another one, but no one know what's true. So there's a lot of fightings in
Yes, but
this.
in your personal opinion, no, in the topic, no, in the video, your personal opinion, what does mean? Um, you believe religious, or you believe in science, 50 and 50, or what about that?
Mm, well, I think I'm 50-50 because it's very interesting, the stories of the religions, the myths, their legends. Well, with every religion, the Christian is the Greek, and that's why I some myths of the Greece or whatever. But the science, I think that is very important to know, because it's like the best way to see the universe.
Okay. So you can prove all theories using science of exist everything, and how we can prove, and how we can way of living and the universe and all the things like that, right?
Yes, using the science we can do everything that we want. So I think it's like a tool. Well,
yes,
in my opinion, both are tools, but science, but with different meanings and different
point of view. Maybe maybe somebody can believe in God, and maybe can resolve or help to resolve their problems, trusting God, for example, or be helping by God. I don't know.
Yes, is that what faith works?
Right. Perfect. Do you want to say something else about this topic?
Yes.
Right.
In the video, it says that if you are a scientist, it doesn't mean that you don't have to have faith. So you can be a scientist. You can know a lot of science, be a chemistry, a biologist, or something similar, and you can have faith with God or something.
Yes, it's correct. It's correct. Doesn't matter if you believe if you're a scientist. You
Yes.
you could be a scientist and you can trust in God, for example. Right?
Yes, and otherwise, if you are a religious one, it doesn't mean that you don't like science, or say that science is like of devil or something like that.
Yeah, it's correct.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I will let you know that